up to 5 million records. Whereas the import wizard that we used earlier, the one that we just saw, this import accounts and contact, it can only import 50,000 records at a time. So it can only import 50,000 contacts or accounts at a time, whereas your data loader is capable of importing 5 million records at a time. Okay. It is faster in processing. Okay. So the processing happens a little faster in data loader. That is one advantage. One more advantage that you have for data loader is, if you notice here, you have the option of importing accounts, contacts, leads, solutions, right? Do you see an option of importing campaigns or opportunities? No. Do you have an import opportunities? No. You have an import cases? No. You have import campaigns? No. Right? Which means this import option which is available here on the web-based application has limited options. Okay, so you cannot import anything from here, but using data loader you can import anything. So in data loader you will have the option of importing opportunities, cases, and all those things, right? Can import ops, cases, campaigns, got this? So these are the advantages of data loader. So I'll just quickly show you how the data loader will look. Once you download and install it, you will be able to see it in your programs. You open it, it will look like this. You want to import, you should do an insert. The moment you try to do any of the operation on data loader, it will ask you for your login ID and password. So I'll put your login ID and password of your Salesforce Developer Edition. That will work. So put your login ID password and try to log in. But the moment you put your login ID password, even if you put a correct password and try to log in, it will throw an error. It will say it's a wrong password. See, please check your username and password. The username and password that I have put are correct, but still it will throw this error. The point is that in data loader, you need one additional password, which is called a security token. Okay, so to use data loader, we need to combine our password with a security token. Where do we get the security token? To get the security token, you need to go to Salesforce, My Settings, under My Settings you have personal, and then you have an option of reset my security token. So what is security token? Security token is an additional system generated password. So it's a long password which can be used. So click on that reset my security token, and once you reset your security token, this is system generated, as I told you, right? So this is something which will be sent to your email ID, automatically generated and sent to your email ID. You will have to combine, see, here it shows if your password is my password and your security token is this, you must enter this combined thing. So you combine your password and the security token in place of your password. So here you have to put the security token. right after your password. So Vijay has shared the security token with us. I'll just show you what sort of complex security token they sent. See, this is the security token that Vijay received. So it creates a pretty long alphanumeric system generated security token. This is again for the security reason, right? Because data loader is a installed application. Again, there is a security concern or a security threat that people might use it for exporting or importing too much of data and all. For that reason, they want to make sure that only people who have the right password and security token are using it. Now once you combine the password and the security token, your login will be done successfully. So it says your login completed successfully. And then click on next. Okay. Now the remaining steps, once you are logged in into a data loader, remaining things are same. What you want to import, select that, browse the file, everything is same. No difference. Select which file you want to import and you will have to create the map. So mapping of fields. Okay. Same mapping of the field is happening, but here it's slightly different. Here the fields of Salesforce are at the top and the fields of your file are at the bottom. You just have to drag and map them. Auto match you can do. Company name and account name are same, so let me map it with the name field. Account name and company name. Just drag and drop and map the fields. That's it. Mapping is done. So your all the fields from CSV file are here. All the fields of Salesforce.com are here. You just have to do the mapping. That's it. Click on OK. Go to next. Okay. Before importing, before you do finish, it asks you for another directory. So what is this thing? It is asking for a directory where you would want to save your success and error files. Success error files is the detailed log that I was talking about, right? So here it simply asks you a location on your desktop or your hard disk where you want your success and error files to be stored. I say save it in my desktop. Click on finish. Yes, it's very fast as compared to the other one, right? See, instantly you get a message here that your import is done. You can see all the successes here, which all records were successfully imported. If you have any errors, those will be shown here, right? So this helps you a lot. Not just here, the directory that you defined there, your success and error files will be stored. Okay. So that is how it works. Got it? So data loader is one thing that you might want to use. So we have both the options available. If our data is less than 50,000, if we are okay with a little slow processing, and if we are okay with Salesforce not telling us which records were imported and which were not imported, we can use that import wizard. But in case we need the detailed logs, in case our number of records that we have are more than 50,000, if we want a faster upload, then we'll have to use this application called data loader.